Hey, what's going on everyone? Thanks for clicking on this video. Today I will be unboxing the Sport White Xbox One controller. Let's start by looking at the box, and right off the back you can tell the controller is going to look really nice. Look at the designs on it. It looks really cool. Let's look at the back of the box. Here's some more info about the controller. And now let's open up the box. So first, okay, I opened it the wrong way, but the first thing you see is the controller, and there's also two AA batteries so you can turn on your controller. Okay, this controller looks and feels nice. The first thing I noticed about this controller is, of course, its design. Well, the colorway. On the front side, there's a gray, silver, and white color going on. I like how this controller looks. The D-pad has this metallic silver color, which looks like metal, but it's a plastic D-pad. And then you can see on the left and right side of the controller, there are these really cool geometric pattern. I don't know what you would call that. There's also a little hint of turquoise on the left and right side of the geometric patterns. Now flipping the controller over, there is a ton of turquoise there. There's a gray and a white colorway going on, and it looks really cool. I gotta say, it looks nice in my opinion. I like turquoise. You probably can't tell from looking at the video, but on the back there's a rubberized grip where your fingers would lay and hold the controller. It is grippy, so it does feel much better than an original Xbox One controller. So that's a nice thing to have, because sometimes you get sweaty hands, you might be raging, and the controller's not gonna fall out unless you throw it at your TV. So that about wraps up this video. Thank you for clicking and watching this video. Hope you liked it. Let me know what other controller you would like to see being unboxed. I do have another PS4 controller coming up the next video, so stay tuned for that. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe, and have an amazing day, guys, and I'll catch you next time. Peace.